Hello guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Today may bago na naman tayong application na ituturo. It's called Gold Merge. Dito guys, gagawin lang natin is magmo-merge lang tayo ng kulay ng token. Kung gusto mo extra kita habang naglalaro ka na at nag-i-enjoy, panoorin mo tong video na to hanggang dulo. Hello guys, download muna natin yung Gold Merge or lalagay ko na lang yung link sa description.
A few moments later.
After natin ma-download, open natin yung application at dito automatic na tayo maglalagin ng Google account. Login lang tayo. After natin maka-login, lalabas yung tutorial. Sundan lang natin. Dito gagawin lang natin is magsusort lang tayo ng kulay.
A few moments later.
Click lang natin and click natin yung task. Dito, gagawin lang natin yung mga task para makakuha tayo ng diamonds. Click natin yung invite at dito, makikita natin yung invite natin. Click lang natin yung match at dito naman is yung medal makukuha natin sa na-invite natin. Yan yung dashboard or kung saan paramihan ng na-invite or yung medal. Click lang natin yung diamonds and click natin yung create withdrawal account. At dito makikita nyo naman po na withdrawal method. Meron silang Lazada, GCash, PMaya at GrabPay. Back lang natin at click natin yung green money. At dito pwede tayong mag-withdraw ng 1K, 2K at 3K. Back lang natin.
1 week later.
Try naman natin mag-withdraw dito. Click natin yung diamonds and click natin yung create withdrawal account. Dito pipili lang tayo ng method kung anong gusto nyong i-withdraw. Sa akin is Lazada. Type lang natin yung information natin. After natin ma-type yung information natin, click natin yung confirm and click natin yung withdraw. Dito may lalabas na notice. Yung nakalagay dito is within 3 days. Pero wala pang 1 hour is nakuha na natin yung na-withdraw natin dito. Tignan natin yung history natin. At yun guys, success na yung na-withdraw natin dito sa Gold Merge. Tignan natin sa Lazada wallet natin. At yun guys, natanggap na natin yung na-withdraw natin na 46.19 pesos.